All right, we've got our dog here in the shop today. We've also got this little 2CV we've been working on. Stella's anxious to do something. So we got the front brakes, the disc brakes that are inboard unstuck. We got the rear brake that was stuck unstuck. We got the kingpins and the front wheel bearings replaced. The car would not roll on its own. And if you notice now, let's see, I'm just going to push this slightly. There. Basically just gave it a little push with my hand. It rolls the way it should. I can always tell when a 2CV doesn't roll, there's something really wrong. Car only weighs like 1,000 pounds. So we're going to put a little fuel in the tank. We'll probably put Stella in the back, and I'm going to give you that ride that we promised. It's aligned. Tires are pumped up. Fresh oil change. Fresh spark plugs. Fresh fuel filter. It's actually been kind of a lot of work. So let's do that. Let's get this thing ready to go. Glug, glug, glug. Put some fuel in the tank. Goigle, goigle, goigle. Come on, let's go. Hop up. Up in there. You can do it. Come on. Good girl. Good. Alright, she's purring like a kitten. It's a really sweet sounding 2CV. Choke is off, still a little cold. Tell she's just purring nice, not too rich. Let's go take this thing for a drive. Nothing like a beautiful microcar to drive on a wet winter's day. Let's see here. I think this is how we turn the headlights on. Yeah. You can tell the engine RPM actually dropped a little bit. Take the brake off. First gear is all the way out. Is that right? Yeah. Make sure there's no cars coming. Ah, what a nice little car. I'm just gonna go around the block here real quick. That's the way 2CV should drive. Nice and light and easy. Nice turning radius. 602 cc's. It's good. Brakes are sharp. Transmission shifts great. We've got ourselves a winner here. So much better than it was. The engine seems a little low in power. You have to adjust the timing. Smooth, but doesn't have a lot of top end. That's pretty nice. What do you think, Still? Yeah? It's a nice little car. Let's open the door here. Gotta pull this little guy up all the way. There we go. Going out of there? Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's a nice little ride. That's real fun. Thanks for coming along for our drive today. I'm going to check a few more things. I'm going to recheck the alignment, check tire pressures, check up lights, and it should be good to go. Thanks for coming along for a ride in a little 2CV Thursday.